Now let's take a look on how to work with Zambeel. All you have to do is go to myzambeel.com and sign up. Once you sign up, we only need two things from you. You have to integrate your bank account. You will go here and integrate your bank account. And once you've integrated your bank account, you will go to store integration and you will integrate your store. So now whenever you get an order on your store, Zambeel will know that what order you've got and Zambeel will start fulfillment. So while working with Zambeel, you only need to have two things. Number one is an active ad account and number two is a web store. So you understood the market, you know about the winning categories, and then you selected a product and you put the product, you have the product on your website, and then you run ads feel branded, everything is good. A person sees your ad, they click on it, they move to your website, and from your website, they give you an order. The order goes directly to Zambeel. Zambeel does call confirmation, and then we pick and pack the order, and then we deliver it, we collect the cash, and then the bank account that you gave us, we will do weekly cash remittance in that bank account. So you will get your money every Monday in your